nyagitali. We are trying na kwerende nyagitali ya Nyansakia. We are also uplifting it to level 4 hospital, to level 4 hospitals. Ibere, Kenyerere na Nyansakia. Weta nikyo. Nche nagendra head kogera amarwere gagenda tugucha mangao abantu batayikunyara guikera banyare ko bakurwaligwa barigererigwe bachekiwe bakorenaki. Like now, next week, as starting from Monday, tarehe 6, tarehe 7, tarehe 8, I have free medical clinic. This free medical clinic in cooperation in Nyagitali Medford Hospital. It's one of the good hospitals which up in KISII. Na Kwanire na Borobo, they will be on the ground. On Monday, Mbatoke Sameta, ward office, and the Tuesday. Elio, what kore screening, amarwere ao. We will have different doctors. Wanyagitali mbaro wagojo very qualified. Na bali bakonyoru na amarwere. Walibura nyale korwaligwa alia mbabaye amaliogo bagendere kunywa bagendera singencho yokubweniwa na bali ba eternity yake mba verified kogenda enyagitali bakikuligererwa bakikunenki kumono barobunya oburwiro bongayibwe ikire. So it is my appeal ngende to gutangasira abantu basameta Mokwerero buna on Monday and Tuesday bali mu kunyara ni nchumuligererwa busa besa te yuko cyagwakana iko wiko origererigwe na hande kero kinse cyabere ninche. I'm still organizing with n'abantu bane in that we make sure n'abantu abayige kero umuntu obere to kurumambia agendrete ko abegete kiu ego ikansasa bayiga na bakwinyorera kende na bonko mwakendalie elio aganyerensa nane togenderere. So negento twarenje tiboronge amatukayo tare 8 ntotoke Kenyerere asingenjo Sameta maintegebwa yarenge county council ibere that is Sameta na Mokwerero.
Yes.
So Mokwerero igebwa the sublocation ibere. So we are taking on Wednesday a sublocation ichibere benefit na barobo as it is free medical checkups na koewa malioga na barobo ororo. Sameta asingenje bwa the sublocation about 5 now. Na kige kogera na yeta matukabere.
Yes.
Ege kogera nere gwetania Kenyerere. So that is the reason why maybe na wabantu barazikubera naki ingi kiagere toka Sameta matukabere tare 6 na tare 7 tare 8 ukayali kwerende Kenyerere ritukerimo Sameta gebwa this application kinyinge eri bwa this application ibere. That is the reason why.
All right.
So asamaliogo.
Okay.
Asamaliogo. Like as I am talking ningo etandi chinyagitali na arora amaliogo nkuira tori chinyagitali emechande yoka tubwate na abantu baitu bali barabarwaire dudu sinko gotebiga lero na chiri nyagitali na irwe dose.
Yes.
Ya maliogo asingenjo nagenda narora amaliogo nali nyagitali
ndio
bono igongo kora matukabere na ndingirane njikuya maliogo ande njikugacha nyumba unango chakurwara inche kunywa kena kinanyolire emechande menge tubwata sinyagitali chaitu before tutarakore dosi eri omuntu irana gocha elio senge jabanyagitali na boro boboete buna mbaba sa gutigo omuntu taegwa maliogo nguji wake rubale eriogi banyagitali nandi kwanyoroba omuntu yero maliogo. For example Nyansakia nkurwera maliogo maybe a blood pressure na Kenyerere boigo
ndio
bono umuntu akogenda oigwa amaliogo ali blood pressure riba gakwira some time amanye kuyakora maybe oig for 2 weeks a month lakini ere buna kole wiki yemo nando irolera ajikuya ike kugacha yakwera taramanya ndiririka yandaraje ogwacha nyumba bono abantu bande batanyora kabere kuhika tumanyiga population nagendete gukina na population nagendete gukina kwerende tata twabwate ntanga ni yamaliogo ali yakoba supplied.
Yes.
Na arakoirwa lakini bono with abantu nabagendete ko babange na marwira abujire nabokonyora amaliogo ali abere supplied dibaga bwene de kuira month kwanyora ire 2 weeks. The other 2 weeks again we are making arrangements yokoleta amaliogo in that process kwanyora abantu mbamisiti amaliogo and talibuna ni nyagitari echichia Sameta chiuka in fact all over Kenya nyoe kogora tegerera kiera na ni mutangazaji ule ngora tegerera kuru habari ye andonsi ngora igore nonya Nairobi chionsi njibwate michanda ya mariogo why ama roira agoja ao unabono onyole buna inchi nindwarete maybe nindwarete diabetes
yes
nindwarete totebe nindwarete blood pressure
yes
bono ngende nyagitari inchekiwe imanye koruo onyole buna nimbwate oburoiro bubwa bagakana kwana bakuburuka cancer, prostate cancer.
Yes.
Bono, I never expected it. Na bantu bange mbaiko genda nyagitari batebe mbabwate prostate cancer. You see, inko genda inko ba diagnosed that. Ntebigwe ochogenda nyagitari ende onyora mariogo.
Lakini mushimo lende nonya nabo gateke nyagitari inko ranchi bwate system okonyora records cia barwaire bago chiaroro na records cia mariogo aliaro. So nakoko tebanga kero kende omurwaire ngakiara agende na ende aira natara kole dosi limu nyagitari zako mubuli ngaki we gave you a dossier yenga kiutara kora na nene akiuta yitoko because they have records.
That is true. Mbabwate records.
Yes.
But this person insists. What do you do?
Moko gani?
Toko maseli busa. Acharuale mono na kiogokora. So in some circumstances these things happen.
All right.
That always, lakini in some circumstances these things happen.
All right. Chinya gitari chionsi chigwata bachire asegodi aho ya Sameta Mokwerero mariogo
na Kenya gitari nero ikurukwa nero ya Nyagiki nero ya Nyamukenye.
Yes.
We have these. I have 4 hospitals. Echigenderete go kore ekwirende oburuwali konya guchunguza rende kanya gokonya abantu. But tiga abantu baitu bamanye chinya gitari echichiri chielevenke.
Okay.
Amariogo chikuruoche amangabo na ali atari kugurwa amariogo ali amake agopoisha then kwamenya kuruo bakorify nyagitari ende.
Okay.
So una ichi konyora chipanado chiro maybe amariogo amakama ke abana and something like that. Bone yigo chikutuara amariogo abantu baragenda baruwaliwe neye kurukwa Kenyerere na Nyansakia.
Okay.
And still bone inkonyoro amariogo aro.
All right, asante sana mushimo wasinjo yebiro ne tutavuga tichingakiri na batokonya gukuna kunengenche iyo asensemo ya education chipasa limu arubwango iganarora na kerokeni birasi BICD ngoro sigure tima dia segodi yo ya Sameta Mokwerero birasi mbirenga kwa manager ko konyora kwa begeta se budget kwa nyorera segodi ya Sameta Mokwerero and at the same time tima dinga abana banyorete chipasa libonsi
mbia muno tiga ngansere passaries.
Yes.
In fact passaries we tried. In chibesa tualenge kurua as totebe kere ward is about 5 million.
Yes.
So this 5 million, you see applicants nabako babange with 5 million. So abande they apply omuntu owake kura Kiambu kwanyora na irete form na applied. Yes, he might be omuntu Sameta Mokwerero tingokana. He might be. But into karoto kubwati data we just find no muntu yotari yo Sameta Mokwerero kwera sagwa ke kurana sangao. So such like persons they missed the passaries.
Okay.
But we tried a big percentage received the passaries. If balibata nyolete nabake. Grade 10 is pending the passaries kiabo ngosoka chire bwangoiga nchigendrete kulikeru chicheki soon they will come out baliba upright na barobu banyole. About classes, I think I've done about 80% ya just kurumbwate ekwirende yane wodi yane. I've done about 80%. The remaining percentage here about 2. I'm remaining with eskuru ekurukwa Sameta primary. I'm remaining in a Sameta mixed boarding, which I'm already in the budget. It will be done. Kenyerere, which is in the budget, it will be done. Echinichi chitigalete ani chiri chitarahera lakini chinde chons chiamo chirikoera gracia kama natuara issues kidogo ne kiagetome primary whereby contractor ya etwe kare contractor ya etwe igakore gasi igatigiranchira. So nakiko nyambwate issues, but now after corona chiete bosio na bole tibaka chief officer, they had to record that a contractor yesterday na mwisonde no alenge is finishing that class.
Alright.
So I believe in the next 1 month getome will be a complete class tingo twara issues in ororo. But as a one on tigality Nikinagotevia, Sameta primary.
Yes.
Sameta mixed boarding. Kenyerere primary. Nyagiki nebwate class.
Yes.
Liamaru nebwate class. Even a chile school you can takora. But all other schools, about 17 schools, out of the 17 schools, those are the remaining schools. That's why I'm saying about 20%.
Okay, so in total like rukuligi wodi ya Sameta Mokwerero ebiras BACD birenga gwaro siri bona bira complete.
As we talk na rosiri ebiras karibu 11.
Okay.
Yes.
And the target ya wire mbire biras mbire ngutakite korosi by
I wanted by the end kre skuru na tagetenye ekirasi ya kemekemo.
Okay.
Because ya bana mbaro.
Okay.
Na ande ko unabona bana ba His Excellency Mbarati a colleague in Tekia I started it mind you say na got the last time I started in my ward abana ba ECD wonspi iko to inko baroseri rongoli na surprise kali go etakire skuru eri abana babanyu rongoli because na chete skuru kana ngo eta skuru ngo eta morning ngo ikansa ina satane karongo gendo abi mwane bibirosete bisinyire what to do so I decided kire skuru tige anse program ya porridge by work yake boni genteki His Excellency Mbarati took it over kire skuru nko abakero mwana nko wara mabere and I am happy of that because that one nas encouraged abana bale chiskuru bayikire.
Okay.
Abana bake bayikire chiskuru sana.
So mushimiwa ase godi yao ya Sameta Mokwerero kuyetumeka one example how can you rate program ya mabere?
Let me say it is well. It is doing well.
Okay.
Ikero ya answer the first time. Na libata manyete the number of pupils baro kuanyora buna bayirira mabere abamake. But as of now, as I'm talking, unangoeta kera nchege ntunde igongo tema nagenda personally. Nataka kumanya what is happening in every school.
Okay.
Nagenda nakuana no balimu na manya what is the problem. But as we are talking, that program is so good and it's running very good and we believe that I think abana na bange turatuare and
okay, much suppose I'm saying this suppose one tatebe chikura chiakiru cha 2027 tatebe mugabana arati for example taira netia visi ni program ne yayo onyo mugabana ogocha tago prioritize program bune abana banarira mabere itakwaje mushimiwa
bona abunona tebe umuntu itura chore tamanyiti what is doing because in this world you know to get investment ya itona savana na ande gerara takikurushie that investment you see chibese ichi His Excellency Mbarati akoru amabere taichi ayakurushie muguko no echine chibese the budget in the county
so mushimi program ya mabere mumwanyi begeta se budget okay asante
nto kere chine chibese nyinga sana muntu dale ntware ngokurushie usaga chikola chabo no we said feeding program ya ECD because you mind serikali ya ito ya county education ya ito geigete ECD yoko none jibasari ejito okurwa igoto okuru tu asinge njo yogokonya bayibuli.
Alright. Asante sana mwancho motegalimi studio no mushimiwa mwakili Joseph Ondari Sonye lero ragase studio tuna kuligiringa ke magendera bera se godi ya Sameta Mokwerero yigotoka meye bunge abo basi county ya KISII mushimiwa timaji estinse mwanchira ba chigo je chiebu sana especially as ward level amangana agriculture timanyi tinga ase godi yao gentungire wa identify related to agriculture maybe kera konye godi yao in terms of value addition nimi tobinde na kwa kinga godi yangu sukiribusi.
That is very good. Agriculture mind is the backbone of KISII County. In fact, if there is agriculture de yongia keninge yoto gukina. Agriculture inerede bono egento keroro nkelia kera we have even talked about it and we agreed in this budget year tigaba abantu baitu banyole fertilizers
alright
na banyole seed seeds chingia elio endagerekera bago no mente mugusi atarami gobo kimaiga tararabuna uragiri no moroseri ritoke elio wegete gaiga iga como bolio no orange bunangi kwali na nari kende eli already gaya getere itoke sanyingima eli gentaga nyete anyole egente ka komigaiga anchera ne bunurage
yani itoke ne lyo kumwaregania
itoke ne lyo kuharigania so tuize konyora chi mbego chingia na fertilizer bunge gajere subsidized ne county kere county now of course the national government has done that subsidization rakini now a county yenyene abantu mbali bataikereri ibwenete guikira from either the ward admins unabarekere ward baikera abantu gete endagira yabo imukigo na kabere baimbroi abantu abatokoroka agriculture extension officers you see abantu ababajite bakasira injira gete lakini babekwe babange bakonye abantu asikokora igasi yiyo na katatu you see ntubwate chiombe tubwate chiombe of low grade nchiri kuru mabere bia bono kwerende county ne yasoire ime netagete ko improve amabere chiombe cheito elio abantu baitu banyora batwara amabere amange na kubwa mono amabere ayagoja ko abana bagoja ko ego His Excellency Mbarati gabegete paka igata ete korosia ase amabere yara bakoroserigwa as KISII ari ATC ige abantu baitu basapra amabero I think that will assist goetani usapra kuri amabere banyole babekira amabere amange na into tora amabere itu ayakuru KISII buno roja tubwata ayakurwa buikoya na raide all over na into tonyale bunanguite nenera torake so agriculture na bebekira bosio because like now bwangoiga ntwarwa chi seedlings cha coffee free in my ward. I think we gave about 20,000 seedlings more than that.
Alright, asante sana mheshimiwa. Enarora chi bekari chi kwa gachwa se vocational institutions, especially se county ya KISII, tima se ward yao bekari nilero no bwata vocational
ya iyo cha ingo chorwa let's say una Sameta sub county igere pasture nere kuja supply abantu ba Sameta sub county that is Sameta Mokwerero pasture na pasibo getauri pasibo itangale passport itangale egendo eyedenenere tabwe na yemo pasture so in every region in each order how ibuna chikorosi wigo and this one is going to assist that so much bono konya abantu bawo boete korosi chipekari gokoranaki emegati yerosi we abana babe supplied bali ECD ekina kiyo gento getakere gokorwa na kwetani ekyo n'abantu banyore kigasi cyo gokora ekwera ndugikurusi bantu isiko abantu tokurusi asegati tukubwa mono we have identified ababoraka bari strong they will be used they will be from every ward bayende bake babe used ba kolegasi ya sepekari ba orokereriwe na kiba okora ba kolegasi hiyo so this is one way or another you will create employment.
Alright, mheshimiwa wakili Joseph Sonye omanyete ase county ya KISII igasi ino no korosie budget okoro oversight na amangana legislation korosie machiko ase county ya KISII tuoribira gitabikagorwa ne chiti bantu aro chinchiago letu ase county ya KISII some people ngoteba barenga ebiragitabiria abande by the way bakotoka nebigotu abande bateba ebiragitabiria materials yani spares cyabo nchiri gotoka abande bateba budget go yarenge 400 million abande bateba 800 million inobona aba MCS county assembly ya KISII budget mwaro seti yuko libira gitabirira nga yarenge
in fact what we did it was we agreed we came together all MCAs with the governor to get out of the money which to agree itanga nitoka kolere budget ekere ward ya nkonyora about 27 million ekore budget that one we said no kere ward out of the 45 wards will contribute 10 million. So if you calculate that 10 million from each ward that brings a total of about 450
million. Yes.
You see that? So whoever is talking this and that,
yes,
tigagenda ligererie a budget ya KISII. Some of us, you see, igo tukwirana n'ibintu tutamanyiti. Umuntu agukwanigendo. Let me tell you, Mr. Dudus, I don't know how old you are as of the year 2010.
Yes.
When we came to the year 2010, ekero abantu bagwakira chikura litanga na believe the constitution came in.
Yes.
And the devolution started.
Right.
Abantu bamanyete buna ubu senator bukarubi yamono wetani ubu governor.
All right.
And you saw very strong people as of then politicians who were those strong, they went to the senator. Because wakaligeri America wakairege into kiriki America buna 19 abado uchikabayo. It never happened.
Okay.
And there is another thing. Abantu bagwanza kubekerwa egento batamanyiti babekerwa busaigo muntu oyo morenge natigamba tebiga abantu bavuga bina naberigo. This is the problem to bwate. Umuntu tigamanye egento bunakire. For example, abantu bayireterio kabusaigo ebintu bikorwa China igo bire binte bibe. America nyane ebintu byaye it depends from China. Here in Kenya umuntu osokoda n'ibintu bibya China n'ibintu biro siribo saiga bikoera. I know the time abantu banse tugutumira kigali kya masida gose Hyundai.
Yes.
Iko ba ngicoro n'kigali bosanchiyo. But of late they are the ones in the market.
Right.
Yes. So we cannot say unibira kite bibyaje to muntu abwate impression gete buna ata kite bira kite biru pretain buna nabiyata kite kororata unibira kite byakire biya amanye kuru ata buna bina bibire standard. You see it as time is going.
Okay. Okay. Umeshimua in whichever way.
Yes.
Ebira kite byakire bigokora imirimo.
Yes.
As a county ya KISII.
Yes. And they are doing the work via letter.
I've seen myself.
Yes.
And for that, you know, ekasi to get very simple.
Yes.
Onye mushimi Ondari Sonye ubekire pale omoro moro siri paro igire pale yo bakari ubekire omoro. That's what we say.
Yes.
So bono kango kolire gente ke mutali kunyure kere ni mokoro se budget ngi mutali ko claimed.
You see ekine ke bantu bande you see toro jebira kite buna to ete bigende kuguru.
Yes.
Bono babekire narati. You see, and let me tell you, all MCAs came together. We had a sitting.
Yes.
To discuss na kito okora.
Yes.
We compared with other counties. To compare na Narok.
Right.
Tugakombea ne chinde nchiro chiaguretera kini chitagurete bingi. Tugateba Narok ligere libinto yakolire. Why can't we go also that way? We agreed. Then gekabekwa because it's in the executive akagenda now kuyachikobekwa in the budget.
Yes.
What we have agreed.
All right.
Gekabekwa in the budget and ebinte bibiaguliru. And let me say, one of the persons who is talking, he should also be oversighting the county. He should be oversighting the county. Ekera roche this budget again this way. Inki ata raised issues that time una no gente kenge tribu we wanted this and that. No. He kept quiet. Akarengere libuna gente kenge kuchikirana. Ekera rodrige kiranire maiso marore is now champing. Ibiragitebi igobire second hand igobire bigentoki. I was also in the stadium. And the other day I was at Nyamarambe. I was at Nyamache. Ebiragitebi echitiba chikore tuchinya. chinya chitara kora kende chitara bekunonya number they have been registered. Now they have the numbers because no ninche ali ane karona gure tinya iri number plate ye yuna genda nero igere registered. It is following it later. Lakini umuntu nde esenja tama intubuna na kibinte bibi gokorwa maybe analete kugure ibintu bire second hand amanye tubuna era kugure kintu kibwate number plate tamanye tubuna na ki process here. Now he lays an issue buna no number plate imbi collect tigabwa ti motor vehicles are whether they are not registered
but then in Kenya.
Yes.
And to what department chigo di na mangana registration of vehicles na kadhalika.
Yes.
Gatira baba kubote procedure.
Yes.
Digato koro mheshimiwa ase egwodi ya Sameta Mokwerero ase gwa ikiribo na magendero gwa kolere for the 4 years.
Yes.
Since 2022 kwa vete elected.
Yes.
Ase gwa ikiribo no tigariti mwaka yo mabisi.
Yes.
Ya 2027 tarehe 10 mwezi wa 8 na hindi nkuira na muri musabe mirimo. Ngaki yoro chigwa ikeire unakorengana ni manifesto yao na policies yao.
Mheshimiwa Dudus asaba MCA balia bamo baba bako gete ninchi.
Yes,
because what I've done is just it sells itself on the ground. Ekero umuntu agote babuna tina akora kende kumuira na mubuli enyagitali eri na kiorojero ne na bere buna yari last time.
Okay.
Pale riorochere galia oroche pale na bere buna kwa gaetire. You see ebirasi ebindo setiga oroche imbire at least tigakanya kuminyoka kuwika matanga umuntu oso akwaruruka busa abantu baseka iga bamubo basinyuka moiraneria because imbabu ati bagana robwate mike kurwalia.
Yes.
Oscar agota na kiningirako but I'm saying
yes.
In fact as per my manifesto,
right,
I've achieved more than 70%.
70%.
Takitingo kora bionsi.
Yes.
I've achieved more than 70% because nonyana machuka. Na abali mire bisima abantu bagendera kunyu. Asa macha atakabeire abantu bachandegete. Iko bakunywa maje nande enda ukwa nebo begoro yane nabo barabasi gukurama.
So mheshimiwa waikiri 75% as we speaking now.
Yes.
So wacholingo chabali 2027 na ende mo musabe mirimo.
Yes.
Na ende notagete ko sabe mirimo so tagete ko ende kiroge kao.
Roje kerona ikiria kiera bono guchibusia bintu byonsi taibu yorabiro bikore nchigote abona na ikire maybe 98%.
Yes.
Nintagete inaga genda limo. Biri binde maybe byatigarire inchira ibintu mbiro bibere bitatu there are some preachers
right
ntagete kubeka and I want abantu bamintu batambuke buna bagutambuka guja batambuke bia there are other places chiparanchire chibwenete kuiguru bono nebiragite bitubwate maybe I might not open all of them as of this time.
Yes.
Because unanganya kuisharansa n'abantu bane ngonde ibale parage toigole ekero bante biri I have to go and do public participation as a party you it or wrong.
Yes.
So time might be short. So yekero naye bigire budget umuntu oraye executive it is me.
Okay.
Niso kutigero umuntu munga budget dokoleta next round intigero umuntu munga that budget bwate binte binge na barasi new because he might come with a different manifesto yae.
Okay.
So I will ask na bongena tukusaba abantu bamintu basameta Mokwerero ebintu birintara korankule korengana buna bante ebiri.
Yes.
Tiga bangelibaga 2027 ngende baka 2032 nkole bintebi na inchibwe ko monyene tinkubikira ni bunandengererete dakini nabona ingusaba abantu bamintu bwadesia isexcellence simbarati gekogera bonere to kumujikogenda ebintebi mubiri tu atagete kuyikirani abamubwadesi 2027 nere tigaba moye chikura nera 5 years they begin to kenena abantu baranye guchandekera buna ntuakwa tigaba moye 2027 nera ike 2032 na ndera tairane mayegaje kubolia bogavana gojinje na ikabu na ndengerera buna nkonga murelimo 30 round lakini yarabuna akora the constitution yako motebigenda isiko anje tanja genda isiko
ora mheshimiwa no ora mheshimiwa Simbarati kana as broad based government umuntu akoko bokoro muske William Ruto iko na ora Ruto to yosmatia
nje tinate babwaro kogera yusi omugusi bwanje omugusi asatene na kira asasale
yes
no muntu akurigereria bikoro byaye
okay
tinda idiko tebona nimba siruto tinda itiko nimba soyo njo muntu gwe kana teba ne county
okay
county yo kana rongo kwana eyingo teba burunge ingo sabera ingo isabera ikura yane ritangani
wasabera narati
na teba narati
okay
matiangi tindi kumwanga haya nakina mwange tigaracha nera onishera chiaye nako tebyo muntu buna nje igondigire chiri chigenda gutirigeti
okay
imanya kuru onererie ngi yankugura yes
right
but tigakurambeka as broad based
okay
tigakurambeko lakini gendo ndagetomanya naki chibuna ndeiga igonde wiper
okay
so timba sa goso ako kwa na bubegoro ya wiper ina base konyole kiranya igongirete indigererete buna ingaiba gutiri baike ekerona njenga kiyane guikere ndonge I have constitutional right yogo chambu gochia sintagete
very correct mushima just in 1 second
yes
igasinere ya bantu bali getu ya kazi mashinani ne bitu binde timwe tusunubwa tumanyobo na kero kende in process kia tumegete go security kia tumegeta senjo identify bantu bakole mirimo
mbiya mona sana what cash mashinani ya itutoga ndrete mbono iguja wansa korori out for the first time inkelia kera a polling center
yes
igekurwa bantu babere
okay
so and abantu abakuru babere must be below 45 years
all right
na iya kabere taba umwana poda iya gatatu taba umuburaka
okay
na 70 I think it is 7% y'abantu aba guika at least bateki gintu gikuruka chenda
okay
chenda mbaba kubeka bamurabuka mbabeka basubati
all right
so they have to be there.
Asante sana mheshimiwa kidega chetu cyarere no nyatwanya wala chinke I think ninche nkoligi naende tutwale chinga kichisaine elinde tuligereri buya ebintu bigenda tekokolekana asigode one county ya KISII kwa jumla lakini asebona asinge kwanya wala chinga kichinke na atebire mbyo na samaskania manena asinge njogo ikaiga studio matanga na mange
yes
ni mederero no kuminyoka
no man
dime dingira de yandu baba Sameta Mokwerero se chisekende 3
chisekende jina ngote bandu basameta Mokwerero romba tebi abantu basameta Mokwerero n'abantu baya nande mbiya mona asinge mugendrete kun support yese bintu biritogendete gukora abange almost 70% or 80% they are supporting ibintu togendete gukora utadiga those few borobu bali na nonya roje ekiragita gekorosie para abateba na mpara ncyanya kulimwa no kire para gekolima abo borobu mbaro nanko batebi mbiya mono inyinyo le 2027 no ndegeti
yes
mbwatesie to monge chikora once more I think you have seen a change and that change we wanted to continue na Sameta Mokwerero iguru abantu baito banywa machama ya na boigo banyare ko bakurwaligwa amarwera ali tutamanyiti buya tunyare ko yamanya bunantu bwata amarwere eriyo tubwenibwe
mbiye mono sana mheshimiwa na hakire mbiye mono kerage and I wish you all the best ekero genda tekokorera abantu ba Sameta Mokwerero mirimo chinga kichinde ne kutoranyore ntukurangalia gase studio singi choko endera gusanga nonye na asiyeli asense moyeli chikekera no mwakire
yes kora atake na I'm available
thank you so much sir mbiye mono sana ino mheshimiwa umwakili Joseph Ondari Sonye na tuengegana na studio na gwikira buno tukora chinkwa na chita sema mbia lero gwikali tukile Jumatatu kile turomera na sumuru ulimu minchulimi inche nkuru kwa duo munyakiro kwa niaba ya Ronald Mayaka Brigadier oyo ligole litane ya ene limo lioka igakuru kwa Nyasaye tigatolinde tumerane na kwa nile ikendi nkio
Yomobusi
Radio Nambeyemo Eboto Womanyisi Enka Yomobusi Eboto Wosemya Inkaninka 94.1 yo
94.1 Enka Yomobusi. Yomobusi
Radio Nambeyemo Eboto Womanyisi Enka Yomobusi Eboto Wosemya Inkaninka 94 Jamani yo yo yo. KISII FM
94.1 Enka Yomogusi.
KISII FM Enka Yomogusi.
KISII FM emerongo kianda nenye enuguteyemo Enka Yomogusi.
Aya namangana maya asenchera yobwenge korwa KISII FM Enka Yomogusi.
Chidi kanisa tuchia tukere ure chinsenye chabana mambia na naramangana maya senchire yobwenge heritarian Justin na Ondari. Omubiri bw'omusacha yomo w'emyaka yegatwa nigo togete mbarabarine para se chinsemo chanyamemiso imeyake gati location nyari bari chache account ya KISII asigo ikabono ekikereto musacha yogosiri bw'ogima bwanye gitaramanyikana bagukwana n'abalikia mangana maya abo bayigeta asayo butuko amatanya gusira ni n'abamenyi bensemeyo nigo baireste buna omusacha yo nigo atogete angene para tabwati ngoma chinde chonsi abo asabandi bakagerete buna nigo atindete korende chinga kibajete korigerere bya nigo banyore to musacho yo nigo asiretyo obugima bwaye kabwate chingende konyora agulire elio aire mwaye okubulia kwa bene nigo kwarure cyasa bayibori ko bwaterana na kolenda abana bo barabasaye erinde mbabaisa kwebwaterania ne bikora byo guturubania omurembe asogo severekania abantu asemega yamatanga amone chinsemo chinde omugambi wesa application yenye bitunu ime yabo machoga burabu Edwin Machani nigarure kura tentindi go cyasa bamenyi benseme yone chinsemo chinde igoro gutume kwa senchire ngabune yo erinde guturubania omurembe aseme sangrekano ao Omoseneta wa county ya KISII Omoske Richard Momoima Onyonka nigesokire na kurusia mamochenchera serikali ya county ya KISII egokole mirimo inse y'omugabana Paul Simba Arati ukwana sigitasini kema Omoske Onyonka nigagoteabuna sekta y'abachenuni go ya maire ase county ya KISII egento gekorera abarwira bange gwetera makongwa manene chinga kibakogenda kuri yoborire ase chinyagitari ao Omoske Momoima nigo ichanire nchero ko obubwenye bokali kurugwa senya gitari nene ya KTRH kolengani gwane nchere emirime yo yarenge kokolekana chinga kiche serikali yarenga bisi enga keyo wikirago mwancho motegere nongo ya butora mangana ita senchirere yo wenge heritarian Justin na Ondari.
Omoelio bwamangana maya asenchera yobwenge unaletwa sole na KISII FM Enka Yomogusi.
KISII FM Enka Yomogusi.
Omwenchi omutegererio KISII FM nigo tokugwakira ng'ambia asogo tokore station ya enchori y'omugusi.
KISII redio bora kote nchini kitamba, burudani zimurua zote wanazotupatia, wakitupa burudani nasi twazikumbatia, wambea tu wape nini ili mwende ritaya.
KISII FM
KISII FM sasa ni moto tena wakuote ambali.
KISII FM yenero Enka Yomogusi.
kera litukolia Jumamosi gochakira chinsenye wika chinsa isano na ibere cha mugaso no moroberio bwabagisangio
Mamioro baganda binganyatigo abagisangio nabo bale
abagisangio nincho tukwanerane nincho tosemanie anase amashabek akumerana na mashabiki mwabo no moralia senior Dr. Professor Mamioro kera litukolia Jumamos gochakira chinsenye wika chinsa isano na ibere cha mugaso
abana b'ibigori yebi n'abayiburi basinyura ukugambera abana use n'abana bangire kwegambera abatigana n'amabana y'abatebya tigatanyura amashiye
abandi gwetonda kwa mu mama ubuye gota
sigango na sogeria abayigambanya ngaibakuriere weekend
karibu sana imejo muroberio bwabagisanga
inchuto inyuraniye inchuto semaniye
kana utubujikuru wabona kana batabya mangana arato semye na gotwaga cyase binyoro bye
inchuto kwanerane amashabek ngaimoberete numuroberio okoretwa nere senior Dr. Professor Mamioro
mugaga nase kofu mukuu senior Dr. Professor Silvanus Mamioro
kera litukolia Jumamos chinsenye wika chinsa isano na ibere cha mubaso